Hello, welcome back to our channel, and today we discuss the topic research method in psychology. Scientific method in psychology. Here are the steps of scientific method of psychology. Types of research method in psychology.
That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.